Get ready to say I love you with freshly dipped, chocolate-covered strawberries. Welcome to Fire Eats and Treats. My name is Demond.
And I'm Amanda.
And it's time for another lovely episode of Treat Week. This simple dessert makes any occasion a special one, and it's healthy too.
Not quite, babe, but it is delicious and it is easy to make.
Well, that's more than enough reasons for me, so let's go.
First, we'll prepare our strawberries. Using a salad spinner, rinse the strawberries under cold running water, gently agitating to help dislodge any dirt or debris. After rinsing, empty the water from the base of the salad spinner, then spin the strawberries dry. There are other ways to clean your strawberries, but this method is quick and easy. After that, pat them with paper towels to remove any excess water. Patting the strawberries dry ensures your chocolate coats the strawberries evenly. Now let's melt our chocolate. There are two ways to melt the chocolate, in the microwave or on the stovetop. To melt using the microwave method, place the wafers in a microwave-safe container, then microwave at half power or on defrost setting for 30 seconds. Stir thoroughly because the wafers will keep their original shape until stirred. If not completely melted, continue to microwave at 15-second intervals and stir until smooth. Be sure not to overheat because overheating will cause the wafers to burn. To melt using the stovetop method, place the wafers in the top pan of a double boiler or in a bowl set over a pot of water that doesn't reach the bowl and cook over low heat. Stir constantly until smooth and melted, and do not let the water come to a boil. In both methods, be sure all containers and utensils are dry to guarantee it's gonna be fire. It's time to dip. First, set aside a tray or plate lined with wax paper. Parchment paper can work as well, but make sure you have a non-stick surface to place the dipped strawberries. Now hold each strawberry by the stem and dip them completely in the melted chocolate. After dipping, shake to remove any excess chocolate to create a smoother finish. After that, place the coated strawberries on the waxed paper. And be sure to leave a little space between the strawberries. Repeat this process using white chocolate for flavor contrast and visual appeal when decorating. Once you've finished dipping all your strawberries, place them in the refrigerator and let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes, or until the chocolate has completely set. After the strawberries have chilled, decorate with additional melted chocolate. You can use a piping bag filled with the contrasting chocolate color to get that classic drizzle design. After that, your chocolate-covered strawberries are ready to eat.
And there you have it. These chocolate-covered strawberries look fantastic, and I am ready to give them a try. I love chocolate-covered strawberries. They are one of my favorite desserts, and they're healthy.
I told you they're not.
Okay, they're not healthy, but it is fruit.
I'll give you that.
All right, so let's give this a try. I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong with chocolate-covered strawberries. Chocolate, strawberries, like peanut butter and jelly, they go together.
I will say though, you know, they have a lot of different almond barks and different kind of melting chocolates out there. And I'm telling you, there's nothing quite like that Ghirardelli's chocolate. It just, oh my goodness, this is fabulous.
We have learned from past experiences that it's best to eat these the day you make them, or maybe the day after. If they sit in the refrigerator for too long, they start to sweat and get juicy, a little too juicy on the bottom, and they don't taste as good, so.
Yep, same day is usually best.
Yeah, so make them and eat them the same day, and you'll love them. All right, folks, that's all there is to it. This is a super simple recipe that says, I love you in a big way. For me, it's the perfect Valentine's Day gift and birthday gift, so I recommend you give this a try. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love our chocolate lava cake recipe. So click over there, right down there, and check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.